Welcome to How to Use the Limited Slip Supplement for Differential Gear Fluid by Lubegard. It's a premium concentrated friction modifier formulated specifically for eliminating noise and chatter in clutch-type limited slip differentials. Let's take a look. Lubegard's Limited Slip Supplement contains proprietary synthetic liquid wax ester technology. Liquid Wax Ester, or LXE for short, is an advanced, unique, low-speed friction modifier which eliminates chatter and shudder. Because limited slip differentials depend on the operation of preloaded clutch packs on each axle, using gear oils containing additives that make these differentials work properly is essential. In fact, Limited Slip Supplement is the safest, most advanced friction modifier available and is ideal for those gear fluids that require a low-speed friction modifier in all makes and models. Let's take a closer look at this process from start to finish. First, raise the vehicle to gain access to the differential at the rear of the vehicle. Some four-wheel and all-wheel drive vehicles may have a front limited slip differential as well. The size of the differential will determine if you need one or more bottles of limited slip. Most differentials are 1.5 to 2 quarts, and a single 4-ounce bottle will work well. Most differentials will have an easily located fill port at the top of the housing, often on the cover. Remove the plug and check the oil level in the differential. If your fluid level is slightly low, you can top it off with a limited slip supplement. If the fluid is full, you may need to remove 4 ounces of fluid to add the limited slip supplement. This can also be added while performing a full service. The easy fill spout that comes on the bottle will make adding the supplement easy to do. After performing the service, the vehicle will have to be driven slowly while performing several figure-8 maneuvers to work the limited slip supplement into the differential clutch materials. All popping and chatter should now be gone. Unlike other limited slip supplements, Lubegard's will work in all makes and models with a limited slip unit, including Jeeps. We've also been asked about using this fluid on different types of metals. Limited slip supplement is safe to use on all metals, even yellow metals. For more product information, SDS sheets, or for where to purchase this product, head over to our website at www.lubegard.com or send us a message direct at contact@lubegard.com.